Hi friends, my name is Chaitanya Tambe and I am in ninth standard. In this video, I am going to show you elastic potential energy. Elastic energy is the mechanical potential energy stored in the configuration of a material or physical system. It is at a subject to elastic dimension work platform up upon it. Elastic energy occurs when object importantly compressed, structured, and generally deformed in any manner. Elastic theory primarily develops formulas for CXCZC structure. Rubber band is not an example of elastic energy, it is an example of electropic elasticity. The electrostatic potential energy equation is used to calculate potential of mechanical equilibrium. The energy is potential as it will be converted into other forms of energy such as kinetic energy and sound energy. When the object is allowed to return to its original shape by its elasticity, V equal to 1 upon 2k triangle x square. The senses of elastic is a reversible force applied on an elastic material transfer energy into mechanical which upon yielding that energy its surrounded can recover its origin. However, the material have limits to degree of distortion they can involve without breaking and involved with attending their internal structure. Hence, the crystallization of a solid material includes substitution, usually in terms of starting up its elastic limit. Beyond the elastic limit, a material is no longer strong. All of the theories of from mechanical work platform on it in the form of elastic energy. Elastic energy of and within a system, elastic energy is compression. It's compressed to energy store principle by changing the incremental distance between nuclear. Terminal energy is the randomized disturbing of kinetic energy within the materials, resulting in a static fluctuation of material about the equilibrium contribution is there is some interaction. However, for example, for some solid object twisting behind and other destroying many general theory energy causing the material temperature to rise. Thermal energy in solid is obtained carried by internal elastic waves called phonons. Elastic wave that large on the scale of isolated object usually product macroscopic vibrations sufficient lacking in a randomized that their auxiliary are merely the representative exchange between potential energy within the object and the kinetic energy of a motion of the object as a whole. Although electricity is most commonly associated with the mechanics of solid bodies or materials, even the earlier structure on classic thermodynamics defined and use elastic of a fluid in ways complete with the board definition provides in the introduction above. Solid include context crystallized material with the some complicated behavior of crystal, the behavior of compressed fluid and elastic gases determine the instance of elastic energy with neglect com- complication. The simple thermodynamical formula du equal to minus p dv, where du is an influence change in uniform pressure applied to the material sample of involved, and dv is the influence change in a volume that corresponds to a change in internal energy. The minimum sign appears behave dV is a negative under composition by a positive applied pressure which is also increased. The internal energy upon reverse the work that is done by a system is negative of the change in its internal energy corresponding to the positive dV of an increasing value. In other words, the system loses store internal energy when doing work on its surrounding pressure. It is treat and volumetric change corresponding to change its relative space of points within the material street strain internal energy relationship of the progression formula is repeated in the formulations of elastic energy of a solid material with complicated crystalline structure. Thank you friends, like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel.